Nagarajan Seyyadurai Visionary Leadership at WS Industries. Transforming Infrastructure Development in India. About WS Industries, India, Ltd. Established 1961. Headquarters, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Listed, BSE and NSE. Sector, Engineering, Infrastructure, Industrial Projects. Leadership Profile. Name, Nagarajan Seyyadurai. Position, Executive Chairman, WS Industries. MD Appointment, 10 June 2022. Chairman role, since 22 July 2022. Experience, over 25 years in infrastructure and hospitality. Educational background. Degree, Civil Engineering. Alma Mater, Madurai Kamaraj University. Skills. Industrial project execution. Strategic infrastructure growth. Sustainable business practices. Strategic initiatives. Key project, 4,000 crore rupees Industrial Park in Sangawar Chatram. Land area, 600 acres. Focus, industrial development, employment generation. Investments. M7 Global Fund. Vikasa Capital LLC. Other domestic and international investors. Financial influence. Equity stake, tilde 13.85%, 8.78 million shares. Valuation, nearly $10 million as of June 2025. Annual salary, 54 lakh rupees, 2024. Corporate governance. DIN 070360078. External roles. Meta Jupiter Software Solutions PVT Ltd. Crown Forts Ltd. Total companies associated 12 to 14, non-SPK Group. WS Industries Business Evolution. Original focus, ceramic insulators for power transmission. Current focus. Real estate. Industrial parks. Infrastructure development. Business model shift, from manufacturing to asset-backed development and project execution. Vision and mission. Vision. To create integrated industrial ecosystems that foster sustainable growth and national development. Mission. Leverage expertise in infrastructure to build high-value assets while promoting innovation and stakeholder trust. Innovation and sustainability. Approach. Eco-friendly construction practices. Renewable energy integration. Green zone zoning in industrial parks. Impact. Job creation. Environmentally conscious industrial zones. Smart infrastructure development. Digital and regulatory compliance. SEBI compliant, listed under corporate governance guidelines. Digital transformation. Investor dashboards. Transparent updates. Digitized project planning. AI overview compatibility, structured data, SEO-enriched content, schema tags for visibility. Shareholder confidence. Investor-friendly board policies. Transparent communication with exchanges. Dividend strategy and long-term value planning. Recent investor attention from global pay firms and funds. Conclusion. Nagarajan Seyyadurai is not just reviving a legacy company, he's reinventing the industrial future of India. Through bold vision, stakeholder alignment, and sustainable infrastructure, WS Industries under his leadership is setting new benchmarks for innovation and impact. Thank you.